Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we'll be tackling the dashboard on Ilara's HMIS. Whether you're managing a busy clinic or ensuring that no patient gets overlooked, this is your command center for keeping everything running smoothly. Let's jump right in and explore how you can use the dashboard to stay on top of your clinic's operation. I will walk you through each section, showing you how to navigate and utilize this powerful feature to its full potential. On the dashboard, you'll get to see the total patients registered, total encounters recorded, patients registered on that day, encounters recorded, and a waiting list for all the patients. So here we are on the main dashboard. Right away, you'll notice several key metrics displayed at the top. These give you an instant snapshot of your clinic's current status. For the total patients registered, this number represents the total number of patients in your system. It's a quick way to gauge the size of your patient's population. For the total encounters recorded, this figure shows you how many clinical encounters have been logged, giving you an insight into how active your clinic has been. For the patients registered today, this helps you keep an eye on new registrations. This particularly is useful for tracking daily patient influx. Lastly, we also have the encounter recorded today. Similarly to the patient registration, this shows you the number of clinical interactions that have occurred, helping you monitor daily activity. With these numbers right at your fingertips, you can quickly assess the clinic's performance without needing to dig into detailed reports. It's also about making informed decisions faster. Now let's scroll down to one of the most dynamic parts of the dashboard, the waiting room list. In the waiting room section, you'll get to see all the encounters that have been created for all the patients waiting to be seen. We also have a section with the priority list. This will enable you to prioritize care based on urgency. Lastly, we also have the appointments listing. This shows all the appointments that the doctor has on that day. And that's the quick tour of Ilara's HMIS dashboard. With this feature, you'll have everything you need to manage your clinic's day-to-day operations with ease. This is from tracking patient numbers to staying on top of encounters and managing the waiting room. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more uploads.